How to manage who can see what are you following on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see what are you following on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here on the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here you will find this one for followers and public content. Click on it and then go down until you find who can see the people page and lists you follow. Just click on it and manage who can see it, your friends or anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.